Alright guys, so now this is only 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 20, this is only 22 pounds, but you guys get the idea. You can make it any weight you want. Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Yaheetech barbell set. Now as you guys see, the box came pretty mangled, but that's okay. It was actually packaged really nicely, so no issue there. These are the little barbells, different weights. And the thing about, I think people get a little too big into is, oh, things gotta look like they're perfect. No, you can have weights. Weights are weights, my friends. So it says kg on one side. Let's see, does it say pounds? No. So it just shows kg. So you will have to convert that to pounds. Oh, this one says pounds, so 2.7. Oh yeah, they do. So on the other side they do show. It's just a little tough to see. So nice set here. So pretty simple. What you guys do is you place your weights on, slide them on here, and then when you're done, you just simply thread these on. So when you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Obviously, if you have more weights on, it's going to be further out. So this is it. Nice grip. Alright guys, so now this is only 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 20, this is only 22 pounds, but you guys get the idea. You can make it any weight you want, and they work great. So these are going to be great for different workouts. Thanks for watching, guys.